Ever wondered what you can do with GrabPay beyond just riding in a Grab car? Well, let's dive right in and explore the exciting world of GrabPay. GrabPay is more than just a digital wallet, it's your passport to a world of convenience. It's a versatile payment solution that lets you pay for a wide range of services and products, both online and offline. Exploring the possibilities. Let's break down the many ways you can use GrabPay. Transportation. GrabCar, your go-to for comfortable and affordable rides. GrabBike, a quick and efficient way to beat traffic. GrabFood, satisfy your cravings with a wide range of food delivery options. GrabMart, get your groceries delivered straight to your doorstep. Dining. Restaurants, pay for your meals at countless restaurants, both big and small. Coffee shops, grab your daily caffeine fix without the hassle of cash. Shopping. Online stores, make secure online purchases at a variety of e-commerce platforms. Physical stores, pay for your items at participating retail outlets. Utilities. Mobile recharge, top up your mobile phone credit with ease. Bill payments, pay your utility bills, such as electricity and water, directly from your GrabPay account. Entertainment. Movie tickets, book your movie tickets and pay with GrabPay. Gaming, purchase in-game items and subscriptions using GrabPay. Benefits of using GrabPay. Convenience, a single app for multiple needs. Security, secure transactions with advanced security features. Rewards, earn rewards and cashback on your purchases. Cashless transactions, a safer and more hygienic way to pay. How to get started with GrabPay. Download the Grab app. Download the Grab app from your app store. Create an account. Sign up for a Grab account using your mobile number or email address. Add funds. Top up your GrabPay wallet using various payment methods. Start paying. Link your GrabPay account to your preferred payment methods and start using it to pay for your purchases. Real-life scenarios. Daily commute. Pay for your GrabCar or GrabBike ride to work. Lunch break. Order food from GrabFood and pay with GrabPay. Weekend shopping. Purchase groceries from GrabMart or pay for your items at the mall. Movie night. Book your movie tickets and pay with GrabPay. With GrabPay, the possibilities are endless. It's a versatile payment solution that simplifies your life and offers a seamless user experience. So, the next time you're looking to pay for something, remember GrabPay. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.